Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in a Quell smoke alarm machine. So in this particular device you'll hear this beep. That means that your battery is running low, so you need to replace it. So I'm going to show you how to replace that and how do you check to see whether it's actually the batteries that's the problem. So I'm just going to remove it. You've got to turn it anti-clockwise to remove it from the holder. Then you just got to remove the battery. I'm just going to remove this one here. And it's got a little warning message that the alarm is not operational once the battery is removed, which makes sense. And you see this red little clip that pops out. So I'm just gonna use this battery tester to test to see how the battery is, and it's close to the low, so that's why it's beeping. So I'm gonna compare it with another battery that is pretty new, so just recently purchased it, and it will show you that it's good. Okay, so we definitely know that that was the problem. So the smoke alarm was beeping because it was running low battery, so it's indicating that you need to replace it. So just put the red little clip back in and push it back in, so the battery is installed. So you hold onto the button just like this and you can hear a beep. So once you've tested that, you need to connect it back, and this time instead of anti-clockwise you got to go to clockwise to fix it. You'll hear a little clip, so just keep rotating it, and then yep, there we go, it's clipped in and it's working. If this video helped in any way, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.